Hey, welcome. It's GeoJerry here on GeoJerry's Adventures, and today I am going to check on some of my geocaches. I had a couple of them in this little park and just make sure they're all good to go because today is the, let me look at here. Cache machine. It's a Vancouver cache machine. Here's what it is. There's a local geocacher up in the Seattle area who creates these cache machines in different areas of Washington, and then he goes and grabs a whole bunch of different caches, and then all these geocachers go out and they go looking for all these geocaches that are all over the place in a certain area, and they make it into a big mega event. I've chosen not to go do the cache machine. I've done it before in the past, but I kind of want to look at I want to meet the people and see who's all doing the cache machine and kind of get into the people aspect of it this time and go with it that way. But I definitely want to make sure they're able to find my geocaches that are here in the park. So I'm at my first location, and here it is. Just one of those little key holders. Logs in there. It's all good and ready to go, ready to be assigned. I checked the log. Log looks good. Places that have signatures. Heck, there could be like 50 geocachers on this. So definitely these are geocaches to find that you don't mind a lot of activity. Sometimes caches you don't want to have a lot of activity because it's just, you don't want to have that cache disappear because of all the activity. But some geocaches, these are more like, stop and goes. It's cool. Anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and put this one back where I found it. It's all looking good, and I'm going to go check on my other geocache. I'm going to have you guys go with me too. Okay, my second cache is close by, just back over there. Let's go see if we can find it. There's been quite a few little DNFs on it. It's kind of moved positions a little bit sometimes, so because cachers decide they have a better place for it. Yeah, it is what it is. So let's go take a look. Okay, this is where my geocache used to be. I've been looking for about 5 minutes. I have not been able to find it. Let me show you the area. Well, okay, so I brought a new one. I'm gonna hide it. All right, so I've replaced the cache. It's right here. So both my caches are now replaced. Waiting for the geocachers now to come by on their cache machine and see if they can find this geocache. So I'm gonna head on down and see if any geocachers are here yet. Here in Washington, sometimes dinosaur geocachers are found.
No, if it was Signal the Frog, okay.
But I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go and sign my cache log here.
And then there's like these guys right here.
Did you see something? So you've heard of travel bugs, right? Have you heard of a travel puppy or a travel dog? Let me show you.
Anybody that wanted to log him though, here it is.
And that there was your travel dog. Here's the question. Am I at a geocaching event?
That's awesome. Yeah, speaking of bonus caches.
Yeah, I'm at a geocaching event.
Utah twice for certifications in the last 5 months. Yeah.
I see you guys are all dressed up. Where are you guys going?
We're the cache menagerie.
really try and go with other people, you know?
There's a few of them around there. They're easy. They're not hard.
All right, so that was it. I stopped in, checked out the cash machine little rest break place, and met some geocachers, saw some interesting things, signed the log. I'm calling it a day. Have yourself a good day, and thanks for watching. Don't forget, subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you later. Go on an adventure. See ya. This guy's got it all right. He's relaxing, he's got food, and just resting. Huh, Cash Dog.
It's like, well, I guess I'll have to do some research.
He's my new friend.
I'll go through